Hey guys, welcome to this year's 7 days of DIY, where each day this week, someone on my team, whether it's me or someone else, will be doing a cool oily Christmas gift that you can give to your friends and family. So I'm gonna start, and it is going to be a glimmer body spray, which is similar to Victoria's Secret's Pink's Shimmer Mist Spray, okay? So you just need a few things, probably you already have on hand, except for the mica powder, but you can use a grapeseed oil, olive oil, you could use a jojoba oil, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, any of those oils that you want for a body oil. I'm gonna go ahead and use grapeseed oil. The only other thing you need is vitamin E. You can get this one's from Trader Joe's. The oils of your choosing. In the ebook at the end of the week, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my favorite perfume recipes, or pure fume recipes as we like to call it, and then some colorant, which is a mica powder. And this is going to be the secret ingredient that gives it that shimmer. And so this would be a great stocking stuffer for, say, a teenager or tweenager. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, you're going to need a glass spray bottle. I got a 4-ounce spray bottle, but a 2-ounce would certainly work as well. You're going to go ahead, and I'm going to start out by putting 2 teaspoons of the mica powder in. And I got a pearl. Again, the link that I got will be available at the end of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons into the bottle, and it definitely helps to have a little funnel, and also make sure you put the label on before you actually start making it. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this in here, try and get it all in here. It's very like it sticks to the sides, so you kind of got to just get it in the bottle, and then hopefully the grapeseed oil will kind of wash the rest of it away. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add 10 drops of vitamin E oil. Okay. And then 3 tablespoons of the oil of your choice. So I'm just kind of guessing on 3 tablespoons here, so. All right, that's good enough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my funnel, and then I'm gonna add the oils of my choice. So I'm using Malama, Madagascar Vanilla and Whisper. If you don't have those, you guys can use whatever oils you like to smell like as a pure fume. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 10 drops of each in. So 10. And you don't have to use this much. I tend to be a little heavy-handed on my oils. So if there's any skin sensitivity, you can obviously go a little bit less. Okay, so the thing about this is that it separates. So you're gonna wanna shake it pretty vigorously before you actually spray it on. And this is a great nourishing to your skin body oil, but then it also has the oils in it to give you that scent that you like. And then, of course, the mica powder gives it that beautiful shimmer. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how many I got in here. Okay, so screw the cap on. I'm gonna have to do a little work to change that, to wipe off the side, but there you go. Okay, so I need to wash that off really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other one I made. And so you can see, if you don't wanna have it in spray bottle, you can certainly have it in a dropper, because you can see it just comes out like that. So when you rub it in, it's gonna be nice and moisturizing. I don't know if you can tell by the light, in the light, the shimmer that it gives, but it gives a really nice glow to it. It's not glittery, it's just a light shimmer. It would also be really great to put like on your chest area if you're wearing like a V-neck shirt, so you have kind of that glimmer, but you can put it anywhere you want to have a little bit of shimmer and also a little moisturizing. So I hope you like that project. The labels and the recipes will be available at the end of the week in the ebook. Stay tuned tomorrow for our next 7 days of DIY. Thanks.